looks like a city action. Can you open it?
Yes.
Oh wow! What do we have in the box? We have the base and oh wow! This looks like the wheels of what?
So we are going to open them or everything.
Okay, let's open everything one by one. Good job. Is that the last one?
No, we have one more. And here's the one more bag. And
Uh-oh. This is the user manual. So let's look at your diagram first. So first you have the drainage pipes, right? Then you have the base, then some green plants which I can see here. Then we have the doors and the windows. Then we have the pillar here which we are going to install, and then the walls, the roof, and then the whole house will go on the base after the drainage system is done. So then we have the ladder and the flooring, and then some plumbing tools, and then we have the excavator here. After making the excavator, we will make the fence, the pillars, the lights, and then we have the people working here. They are going to do the concrete work, so make sure they are wearing the uniform and the hat. Their cart is ready and everything is set here. Then you have the machines and tools and everything here. So we're going to follow all the steps here and we will show you the end result. So in the box what we got was the base, the doors, the roof, the excavator, these plumbing boards, these ply boards, then the fence, the ladder, the gardening tools, the pillars, the pipes, and door and window. And the last thing that we have here is some grass and the rocks, small rocks, big rocks, and so many tools. And this is how our end result is going to look like. So I'm going to work with Divit now, and we both are going to start this book, and we will show you once we have this end result. So let's get started. Divit, are you excited?
yeah!
Can you show me a thumbs up? Good job. Let's get started.
Okay.
And these are the toys.
So
Alright guys, so we are going to follow the whole manual one by one, and Divit is going to put all these pieces together. So let us quickly show you what Divit is going to do. So he has got all these orange pieces in his hand and he has assembled them. So the step 1 was the plumbing pipes, which Divit has done. Step 2 was the grass and the board. That's also done. The step 3 is to install the doors and the windows, which is done here. So as you can see, so step 3 was to install the doors and the windows. Open the door and the window. Yes, so open the door. How about the door? Good job. So that is the step 3. Okay. Now as per the step 4, we have to use the connecting wall and put the plumbing pipes in between. So we put the pipe at the back. So step 4 is to put the pipes in the wall and then connect both the walls in between. So we put the both the walls and the connecting pipes are at the back. Now the step 5 is to install the roof. So we have done that too. Step 6 is to connect these walls with the flooring. Yes, so what we are going to do is first you have to connect the pipe. Can you change the direction of the pipe? So you have 5 points to connect, right? So one is connect the pipe first. Okay, good job. Now put the walls and push them down. Good job. Now I think you disconnected the pipes here. So can you fix the plumbing, please?
Okay.
So the next step is the flooring, right? So we'll cover the pipes with the floor. So can you bring the wooden floor? So in the step 7, we are going to show and do the flooring. Oh wow, the flooring looks pretty nice. That looks like a good flooring. Good job with the flooring, David.
Now let's put the back.
So you did the tools, the ladder is done, the tools are done, the door is done, and I'm going to show the whole house, rotate it. That looks so good, Divit. Now, what's in the step 8? We have to build the excavator. So let's start with the excavator now. So put the house on the side and focus on the excavator. So it has 3 parts to it, right? In fact, only 2. So just this and this. Nice. Now can you rotate it? I think it's facing backward. Yes, now it's facing forward. You can show it. Oh wow, that looks so nice. Are we done with the step 7?
Yes.
Did you install the ladder?
Yes.
Wow, the ladder looks good. Did you put the flooring on?
Yes.
Wow, let me see the flooring. Oh wow, looks so good. Nice. And then how about the step 8?
Escalator done.
Is the excavator done?
Yes.
Where is the excavator? Excavator looks so good. Wow. Let's go to step 9. Is the step 9 done?
Yes.
Now on the fence, I see you have the pillars, the pipes, the board and the light. Did you do all of them? Good. So the lights, can I see the lights on the front? The lights look amazing. Do the lights move up and down? Oh yes, they in fact move up and down. And we will get the fence around the house. Okay, just like that, so that we have it all covered. So do this, keep the fence a little bit open. That looks good. I see a camera with a tripod. So it has a tripod. The camera has a handle, and then you have stickers at the back. So camera can move up and down as well, as you can see. So let's put the camera over here. Now this camera is looking at the house. Then we have a measuring pole. Do you have a measuring pole? Put a measuring pole near the camera so that the camera can look at all the measures. These cutting tool. Okay, all you have to do is just snap these two together. This looks so nice. Wow. We have a bucket. That's a nice bucket with a handle. What are we going to use this for? And then we have 2 people working here. He has a helmet and some hand gloves on. So you can put the hand gloves on the left hand and the right hand, and a nice helmet with the soundproof headphones. So this guy is probably going to work on this digger. Yes, and a nice watch. Oh wow, that looks so good on her. Nice. We're gonna make the supervisor stand here and the guy is going to work here. Nice, you have the tools and your construction site is ready. Now what are you going to do? Can you ask the lady to carry some rocks in the house? Is the excavator going to do something? Nice, David. This looks like a fun activity to do. So you got all your fence set up and your house is set up and your flooring is done, the plumbing is done, the camera is all set. Looking at the oh nice, she's carrying something. What is she going to carry? Those rocks are hard to break. You can flat the concrete flooring. Can you lift the cover? Oh nice, he is all set in there. Wow, that looks amazing. Very nice. Wow. So see you guys again. So Divit, do you want to call your name? How do you spell your name?
Divit.
And if you want to watch more of your videos, where should they go? Play Dead with Divit. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Can you wave a bye?
Bye.
Can you give us a flying kiss to everyone? Thank you. Bye.